Hi everybody, so just following on from my clutch fluid replacement, I'm just on with the brakes. So to replace the fluid or bleed them, this procedure is taken from the online workshop manual. So we start with the front left, and that's the bottom of the two bleed nipples, the one at the top there which is the rear brakes, but we start with this left front. Same procedure as I used on the clutch fluid. I'll put a link to the video in the description, and then we move on to the right, which obviously only has one bleed nipple. It is at the top, and that's the order we do the fronts in according to the manual. And I've done mine. It seems to work quite simply. Again, I'm using that cheap eBay non-return valve bleeder. But just before I go on to the rear, anybody know what that little baffle plate is for there in the reservoir? Try to Google it but can't come up with anything, so just drop me a line in the comments if you know what that's for. So I'll just crack on the rear now. So I've just completed the rear brake fluid replacement. Looking nice and clean now. I didn't actually need to remove the panel to get at the cap, just the two bolts here give me enough room to unscrew the cap. But if you did need to take it off, there's a little lug that wants popping out there, and there's a pop nut. There's a pop nut under there you need to remove to get that off if you need to, if you're worried about splashing out of this panel, but you can get at the lid as it is. And there's your rear bleed nipple, if I can get it to focus. It's there. And again, I didn't need to take this off, there was enough room to get in there. Don't know why that's not focusing, just need to give that a wipe, that cap. So again, to do the rear, according to the manual, it's doing the top nipple on the left caliper first, which bleeds the feed to the two top little pads. And then the rear caliper second. I've just checked it all and it's all working well, so that's another job done. Thanks again for watching. Any questions, just drop me a line in the comments and we'll catch you next time. Thank you. Bye.